Let's see. Yo. All right, let me see. All right. I'm gonna get on here. Let's get on YouTube. All right. So I do this. Well, everybody just go ahead. All right, everybody. What's up, everybody? Do that. So for everybody, tell me going here. Y'all, yo, what up with everybody? Yo. Good morning, everybody. How you doing? Good morning. We finna get started in just a second. Give me a second. I'm trying to let everybody know what's going on. How you doing this morning? What up with everybody? Good morning. Look, the stock market just open. Comment below. If y'all on here, how y'all doing this morning? Welcome to the channel. Let me see. Let me get the word out for everybody that's on here. Let me get the word out. If you're watching this, good morning to you. What up with everybody? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Y'all, what we finna do? We finna set up some gamble zones, and I'm gonna show y'all how I get in and out my trades, or whatnot. How y'all doing this morning? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. The stock market just opened. Let's see how they did, and they gap down. That's crazy. Let's see. How we gonna set this thing up? The stock market just opened. All right, I see a support and resistance. What's the lowest that it got? Let's see. Let's back. 499.50. All right, let me set up me a gamble zone based off the pre-market. What y'all did? Right now I'm looking at the SPY. I'm finna set up me a gamble zone. My gamble zone consists of my support and resistance line from my pre-market. I'm looking at the pre-market right now. I'll show y'all real quick. Oh, I'll wait. Get it right there. Okay, cool. So that's what we call gamble zone. Right now I'm using what you would call a breakout strategy. For those who don't know, this is called a breakout strategy. Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing, man? How y'all doing? What y'all got going on this morning? And y'all let me know what stocks everybody looking into today, so I can be aware, so I can try to keep y'all up to date on what we got going on today. So look, so right now, what y'all see me setting up or what now? I'm setting up the trade options. So look, so I'm going to show y'all how do my enter and my exit strategy, and how am I able to get in and out these plays. And as y'all gonna see, I'm gonna be able to I'm gonna try to execute a play in real time. Now, I'm no financial advisor. I can't tell you when to buy in and when to sell, but yesterday we made $500 yesterday in a play yesterday, in a spot put yesterday, because it went down, right? All right, so I want you guys to see me enter and exit out of plays or whatnot, and how do I go about doing so. So these two blue lines that you guys see on here or whatnot, which would be like right here, a little higher, let me think. This line and this line will be my support and resistance line. Now, how I came up with these lines, as you can see, it was in the pre-market. As you can see on Moomoo, this little shaded area right here or whatnot, this is the pre-market. And the darker will more so be like the actual market right now. So I set up me a gamma zone based off my pre-market, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna let y'all see how we get in and exit out of strategies or whatnot. How we get in and exit out of these gamma zone. So as you can see or whatnot, every time it hit this 501, it's pushing it back down, as y'all can see, right? Because that is a support line. We know that there's a lot of sellers up here that's pushing this back down. As y'all can see that how that red candle came. So for me, confirmation would be a candle that lives completely above this this blue line, which would be my support line, as you guys can see. All right, see what we can get into. So everybody that's on here, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing this morning? How y'all doing? Good morning, everybody. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How y'all doing this morning? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Hey, y'all look, so what y'all see me about to do, I'm about to execute train options. If y'all want me to look at a stock and give y'all the technical analysis on what's going on or whatnot, y'all comment below. Y'all comment below right here or whatnot, so I can kind of help y'all out with being able to see basically like how I'm able to get in strategies in this, that, and third. Right now, we're looking at the SPY, we're looking at the index, so we can kind of give a base of how the overall market doing. And while we're waiting or whatnot, Jerome Powell's supposed to speak today around 2. So what we're trying to see is how is the market gonna move in this direction and things like that or whatnot. So that's what we kind of getting into right now. Let's see. Can everybody hear me? Can everybody hear me right now? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Let me see. What up, my boy T? How you doing today, T? How you doing? 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 What up with everybody? How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? So look, right now we're looking at the SPY. If anybody want to see, if anybody want to see how I'm getting in and out, I want you guys to comment what stock y'all want me to y'all want to see real quick while we right here. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. So look, so this is my Gamazon. This is how I set it up. That's basically how I set it. Let me see. If you're just not getting on here, let me tell you why I set up my I set a support line. I set my support line at 499, 920, and I set my resistance line at 501.75. So you're just not catching on or whatnot. That's what we got our Gamazon set up on and as this morning. For those who don't know. For those who don't know, I want you guys to set up on here so y'all can see this. And y'all watch how we execute this play and getting in and out with grace. Let's see how y'all doing. Any stocks anybody got in the anybody want to see traded or whatnot? Do anybody got any stocks? Comment below. What up, T? How you doing today, T? Discord family. What up with everybody? How everybody doing today? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. What up with everybody? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? What up with you? What up with you? What up with everybody? Let me see. Let me get on here. CJ. Yo, what up, Q? Q, my dog. What up, Q? How you doing, Q? Q. What up, Q? Over here, got this Gamazon set up. About to get some good trades in. You know what I'm saying? Basically, get us some good trades in so everybody can see. Q, since you're a little late to the party, Q, let me tell you what we got our support and resistance line at. And we base this off the pre-market. We got our support line at what it is, 501.75, and we got that's our resistance line. Our resistance at 501.75, and we got our Support line at 499,920. So for everybody that's on here, for my folks that's in the chat, y'all know what's going on. What up with everybody on the live? Look, if y'all right now we're looking at the SPY. What now? We're looking at the overall index and trying to see what direction is the overall market going to. Look, I want y'all guys to comment if y'all see another stock that y'all want me to do technical analysis on while we waiting on the SPY or whatever. I want y'all to comment in the chat what y'all want to see while we right here. For everybody who for everybody that's on the live or whatnot. So look, so by the RSIs, y'all can see the RSI starting to cool off. It's starting to be more so on the in the 50s. Let me scoot it over some so y'all can see this. Y'all can see the RSI starting to cool off, starting to come back down to like a real level or whatnot. Now, if you don't know what the RSI is or whatnot, the RSI is relative to strength index, and it let us know like if the stock overbought, is it oversold, like what's going on with the stock. So we use the RSI as an indicator on when we're gonna pull out and things like that. So that we're looking at the RSI on right now. So let's see. So what up with everybody? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. I want you guys to hit that like button and that subscribe button at the bottom down here. I want y'all to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel or whatnot. I'm gonna teach you how to day trade and how you trade options and how we get in and get out of plays or whatnot. So right now, what we're doing is a weight game. We're waiting on the we're waiting for the candle to live completely above this blue line right here, or completely below this blue line right here, right? To get confirmation on which direction is the overall stock market going in. Good morning to everybody that's in here. To the 11 people that's in here and whatnot. How y'all doing this morning? Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Ken with God Body Trading. And if you're new to the channel or whatnot, click the like button and click the subscribe button so you can get the updates on when we do go live, so I can teach you guys how to trade options and get into entering and exiting out of these plays with grace. We can get into that or whatnot today. So what up with everybody in the chat? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What up with everybody? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing this morning? If y'all see any stocks or whatnot that y'all want to see me check out while we wait on the SPY and see what the SPY doing, y'all let me know so I can we can check those out, to be honest, as well. While we see him, we wait on to see what the stock market is gonna do and see like how can we make money while the stock is going either up or down. I want you guys to see that. Let me see. So let me see. I mean, y'all quiet. Everybody quiet today, family. How y'all doing today? Y'all quiet. Y'all look quiet today. Everybody look quiet. Everybody is a little quiet. So look, a lot of people feel as though like the stock market finna go down. There's a lot of analysts saying that we may be down for at least how many months? At least 3 months. People feel like the stock market finna do a drawback for at least 3 months. So if you don't know, you can make money on the way down in the stock market or on the way up. Let me get this coffee and take a look. Okay, cool. That's what we're doing right here. We live with it. How everybody doing this morning? Good morning, everybody that's in the that's on the live. Good morning to everybody. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How y'all doing this morning? Where everybody at in the live? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. How y'all doing? How y'all doing this morning? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. As y'all can see, the spy this. We waiting for a clear signal in the spy. Y'all can see waiting for a clear signal, so we can see when they enter and exit out. Do anybody got any stocks they want me to look at? Let me see. Anybody got any stocks y'all want me to look at real quick? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. I want y'all to watch me live on the YouTube. Let me see. I want you guys to look on here. So look, so if you're new to the channel, let's see what else they got going on while we wait. Hold on 1 second. Y'all give me a second. Y'all give me a second. Let's see what else going on here while we wait. All right, and who else? What we got going on? Oh yeah, okay, cool. All right, got that going on, and so okay, cool. All right, so everybody that's on the live, what up with everybody? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? What up with everybody? So this be the boring part. What up, T? You say your watch list is not looking good. Well, of course it ain't looking good, T, because everybody a lot of people sold yesterday, to be honest, because of the news of Jerome Powell and whatnot. So that's why a lot of people sold yesterday, to be honest. Sold out. What up with everybody? Salute to everybody that's in here, whatnot. Right now, how y'all doing? Let's see. Set up some other stuff. Let's see what other stocks we got. Yeah, Tesla. For people that want to watch Tesla, let's see. Ooh, Tesla been kind of volatile today. Went up to 181. On the 181 and what's on. Let's see how this went. Look out and see what it did. So it moved up today. Delete that. Look at Tesla and see what Tesla got going on. All right, so look, so Tesla is moving like crazy. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and set up me a support and resistance line on this. I'm trading on a 5-minute chart, right? The reason why I'm trading on a 5-minute chart right here. It's because you don't want to get faked out on all these other charts or whatnot, right? So that's the reason why I'm trading on the 5-minute chart. So if you trying to he's raising interest rate. No, he ain't raised interest rates yet. He ain't made a decision. What everybody's waiting to see is he gonna cut interest rates? So people are waiting to see if Jerome Powell gonna cut interest rates, right? So that's what everybody trying to see. And he probably make an announcement there too. So everybody trying to see like which direction the stock market gonna go and things like that or whatnot. So let's see what Tesla gonna do. That's Tesla right there. We got Tesla Amazon set up. Let me see what else. So we're gonna go back right here. What do everybody else want to look at? Let's see, AMD. Let's see. Do we got any real movers in here today? AMD ain't really talking about nothing right now. Moving slow. Everybody moving slow today. Let's see. Let's go to Apple. Okay. We may got some momentum over here at Apple. I'll set up me a little Amazon right here. Let's see how this gonna go. My first 3 candles. Cool. I'll set up me another Amazon right here on my Apple to see how this gonna go. All right, now we almost getting the confirmation candle on Apple, but as y'all can see, an entry for a call option on Apple will be a candle that lives completely above my resistance line right here. So as y'all can see, it's starting to push up some or whatnot, but it ain't really pushing up some. It ain't really pushing up quick. So you guys got to be careful of things like that so you won't get faked out. We do not want to get faked out. So yeah, this the weight gain that everybody don't nobody like to see at all. Just the boring part of trading right now. It's a boring part of trading. This is the most this is the most boring part of trading, right? Being patient and waiting for a clear entry and exit out. That'd be the most boringest part. We're looking at the SPY right now. Get back on Tesla. See what Tesla gonna do. That's what Tesla is, y'all can see. That's SPY, Tesla. What up with everybody? How y'all doing? Do y'all got any stock that y'all want me to see? If you're new to the channel, my name is Ken. I'm a guy by the trading, and I'm teaching you how to trade options and how do we identify clear signals on trading options, basically or not. So if you're new to the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so as you can be updated on the news on how we trade options, predictions on how we plan for the next day to be. So I want you guys just to be able to pay attention, man. So y'all be able to identify when we able to buy in and stuff like that. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, but I'm a live day trade, so y'all can see me in and exit out and make money. That's what I'm interested in. I'm interested in doing it on live, so y'all can actually see me in live time do this. As y'all can see. And look, this thing is what I want everybody to see and really know is that do not rush yourself into trades, man. You got to trade with the chart and not your heart. You know what I'm saying? So I want you guys to get in the custom of being patient in the stock market, right? I know everybody want to get rich in one day and things like that or whatnot, but you have to be patient in this game. This is a patient game or whatnot, right? Trading options is So for everybody that's on, it's at the spot showing put option. Yeah, and look, it is starting to go down towards my support line. As you can see, that's a good call. See, that's a very good call that you see. So as y'all can see, the overall market is starting to go down. You said check out Meta. Let's check out Meta. Let's see how Meta doing. Let's check it out. What up, my people? My family. What up, family? Check out Meta. Y'all said check out Meta. Okay, cool. So Meta's in the uptrend. Let's see how this gonna go. There was a support line for yesterday. Dang. Let me clear that out. Clear that from yesterday. Okay, let me clear that. Let me delete that. And let me back. Cause that was from yesterday. Yeah, them yesterday prices. So let's check this thing out. So some new support and resistance lines, as y'all can see. All right, so look, I want y'all guys to see this or whatever, right? Right now, you have a lot of sellers in Meta right now, as y'all can see, right? Y'all see these long wicks at the top. So we know it's a lot of sellers right here. It's a lot of them, right? So I would consider this a very, 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 very what's the name play? This is a very, very, very risky play Meta right now. You will be playing it super hot if you bought a call option. And the reason why, because you got so many sellers right here at the top pushing this thing on down or whatnot, right? And you look at the RSI, I want you guys to see this, right? The RSI is starting to trend above the 80, right? So what you're starting to see is you're starting to see that it's starting to be oversold. Once it starts trending to be oversold, expect a cool off, right? So that's what I want you guys to see or whatnot. The RSI or whatnot is y'all see is trading above the 80 on Meta. Let's see what spot on. I want you guys to expect a cool off when y'all look at the RSI, right? And the RSI just shows us the strength. RSI shows us the strength or whatnot, right? And this would be a good time to like exit for the people who would have took in early calls or this, that, and third, basically gambling with the money, gambling with your money. You would have got that would have been more so of a signal to it may drop down soon, basically in Meta. Get this over here. So y'all can see that. So look, so 50 is normally a good, it's normally like it's cooling off, you know what I'm saying? And what you guys want to look at in the RSI is more so when it's cooled off, that it got room to rise up, which as you can see that it did somewhat right here. Now it was rough because you had a lot of sellers right here, as y'all can see. Now y'all see what I'm talking about right here? These sellers coming in with that long wick at the top. You have a lot of sellers up here at the top that's trying to push Meta back down. People starting to trying to take profits off of Facebook. And that's something that you I mean, you really don't want to see that, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? Especially like when you're in the call option, you don't want to see a lot of sellers at the top trying to bring it down or people taking profits. Y'all see what I'm saying? For my people that's in the chat. But look, so Meta's starting to pick up some strength. As y'all can see, the momentum starting to pick up in Meta. What you guys want to see or whatnot, as y'all can see, look at Meta. It's starting to take off. Y'all see it? What you guys want is a confirmation candle, right? That lives completely above your support line. Y'all see it's starting to do a breakout, but what you guys don't want to do, y'all, this is not a signal for early call option. And the reason why is because, as y'all can see, and have a long wick at the bottom right here, it's still in my gamma zone. So what you guys want to do, you guys want to be over here to the side and have the candle to live completely above this candle right here. I mean, above your support line right here. So a lot of people get faked out. I don't want you guys to be faked out. A lot of people get faked out by trying to, okay, look, I'm starting to see that it's going in or whatever. Let me hurry up and buy because you want to make some money real quick. The easiest money made, right, and the most simplest way to trade is the ones that come to you. Do not be greedy. Do not rush yourself into plays because you feel as though that you're going to miss out on something, this, that, and the third. Do not feel like you're missing out. I can't stress this enough. Please do not feel like you're missing out. But now look, if we look at the 1438 cross, 1348 cross, y'all can see right here or whatnot that y'all see that the 13 crossed the 200 EMA, right? So Meta is technically, by the technical analysis, it is on the uptrend. It is on the uptrend. As y'all can see right here. Y'all see the 13 crossing the 200. This gives a lot of people a signal that, like, hey, like we starting to go on the uptrend with Meta and things like that or whatever by the technical analysis. Yeah. So look, so as you can see, the RSI is above 80. As you can see right here, the RSI is above 80, right? So it is somewhat oversold. So expect a cool off soon. But what you see right here, you want to, it's still in your gamma zone, right? You want to counter to live completely above this right here. So it's still in your gamma zone. And as you can see, if people would have rushed into a call option, a lot of people would have got smoke coming up in here real quick, right? Because it's doing this little drawback, as y'all can see. So I don't want you guys to be quick or real eager to jump in plays because y'all feel like y'all missing out on something. Do not feel like you're missing out on something. Let your plays come to you, right? And then as soon as you get in, I want everybody to know this, and I want you guys to see this and really feel where I'm coming from with this. Set up your stop loss. We had to set up stop losses to prevent us from losing money. Do not go into a play. Do not buy a call option or a put option without first thinking about an exit strategy, right? I want you guys to turn out and profit and be more profitable. But the only way that you can be profitable in day trading, right, is being like disciplined. And proper discipline is setting up you a stop loss. Y'all understand what I'm saying? Proper discipline would be you setting up a stop loss. That's proper discipline. So look, as y'all can see, this right here will start to be your confirmation candle, right? Once it completes green. That will also be your confirmation candle on what you got going on. What up with everybody? What up with everybody? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? So while we waiting on Meta, y'all can see Meta running up. Let's go to the SPY. Let's go to the SPY real quick. SPY is still gambling. Still like Amazon. Let's go to Tesla real quick while we wait. And things like that. Okay, cool. Right, let's go back to Meta. Let's go back to Meta real quick. Okay, cool. All right, so look, y'all, look. If y'all, this is most of what I was saying right here. This will be your confirmation candle right here if it completes green. So what we're doing right now is waiting on a clear confirmation candle to see how we're going to play this thing. Now, look, I want y'all to be real cautious or whatever, right? Y'all see it has a long wick. I want you guys to see. It has a long wick at the top right here. Be careful when entering plays in the RSI is high, which is showing that it's oversold right here. I want you guys to be careful when you see the RSI is high. And I want you guys to be careful of these long wicks at the top. That's how a lot of people get faked out. They're not looking at the indicators to understand or see real enter and exit strategies. If you're on my live right now or whatnot, I want to say hey to you. If you're new to the live, if you're new to who I am, my name is Ken, and this is God Body Trading, and I'm teaching everybody how to trade options and how do we enter and exit out of plays with grace. And y'all gonna see me try to make some money here and also execute a stop loss. I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm buying in at, how I'm setting my stop loss, and if I win or lose on the live. I want you guys to see that as well. I want to be very transparent with my people that's on here. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man, so you guys can be tuned in to when I live day trade on YouTube. So y'all can be able to follow me or whatnot and see how I make money in trading options and things like that, and it help you become more of a profitable trader. For everybody that's in here. Okay, look, so right now, Meta is looking good. We are looking like we are on the uptrend. We are looking like we are on the uptrend. As y'all can see. As y'all can see, we are looking like we're on the uptrend. Jamarvis Boykin, how you doing today? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I want y'all to see this. I want y'all to see me enter and exit out of these plays real quick. I want you guys to see it. I want you guys to see it. It said the open interest and the volume. Okay, cool. I want you guys to see it. Let me see. We're not gonna just talk about it. I want you guys to see it. Let me see. I want you guys to see this. Hold on 1 second. All right. As y'all can see, y'all see what I said? As far as being oversold, as y'all can see. That's why I told you guys you can't rush into you cannot rush into these plays or whatnot, right? So if you're smart, like I told you, you did not get confirmation right here, and y'all can see that this long wick right here pushed it down or whatnot, right? So this is how you prevent yourself from being burnt. This is how you prevent yourself from being burnt. I hope you guys see that. Glad you guys are able to see that. Glad. Let's see. For everybody's on here, what y'all up to? What everybody up to? What everybody up to? Let me see everybody that's on here. What up with everybody? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Look, we're gonna get back to the spy. We're gonna get back to the spy and see what the spy doing. As y'all can see, the spy still going down, still in the gamble zone. What up with everybody? Let's see. What y'all want to look at. Let's see. Let's go back to Tesla. Let's see what Tesla doing. Let's go back to Tesla. See what Tesla doing. Tesla's starting to do a breakdown below our gamble zone. So let's look over here. Let's look over here. Let's see that we need some puts or what we got going on. All right, let's see what Tesla. Okay, look. So if we look at the RSI on Tesla, right? I want you guys to look at this. The RSI on Tesla is at 24. It ain't technically oversold yet. You're not technically oversold, but as y'all can see, it's starting to run out of juice real quick. So expect a little bounce up. But as you can see, we clearly on the it's starting to get up out of our gamble zone. It's starting to get up out of gamble zone. So I want you guys to pay attention to Tesla real quick too. The SPY still is in the gamble zone. It's consolidating right now. Let's get on what else we got right here? Let's get on this Tesla. Get back to Meta, see what Meta doing real quick. And this is why I be telling y'all about like watching the RSI and seeing what the RSI is doing, right? So as y'all can see, we do have a confirmation candle on Meta. As y'all can see right here, a confirmation candle on Meta. Y'all can see this right here. We got a confirmation candle on Meta. But by the RSI, it got to do a drawback. Y'all see what I'm saying? You see how it's cooling itself off? Y'all see how it's cooling itself off? So even though you got a confirmation candle, the RSI is cooling itself out. So that's why you're starting to see this red right here. Now, just because Now, RSI does say that it's oversold or whatnot, right? Don't just get into a habit by seeing that, hey, it's oversold and start putting in put options, right? Because it's a lot of people been faked out trying to play toward the downside as well by looking at the RSI, right? But the RSI is an indicator to let you know that eventually it will come back down. So I want you guys to watch that. It's I'm trying to watch. I'm weak. Q. I understand, Q. We all have been there before. I understand. I understand. All right, so look, so y'all can see Meta right now. Ooh, y'all, it's a lot of buys. Y'all see this long wick? Y'all see this long wick right here? So look, confirmation. Look, if you're starting to look for a call option, it's starting to look good now. It's starting to look good. Look like it's finna pop up. It's finna pop off in a second. Look, what you want to do is have a counter that look complete that goes past your confirmation counter, right? So it has to pass 436 and 60, right? And I want you guys to get up here to like 436 and like 100 and make sure that it get up in that range. So you most definitely you have you like a little more confirmation to put in the call option. So right now, as I look into Meta, right now, let me see. As I look into Meta for I don't we so funny. That means I got my cough. As I look into Meta right now, I'm finna look at some. There we go. There you go. There we go, y'all. We getting some confirmation right here. I'm finna start looking at a Meta call option. Let me get on Meta. Let me see the call option right now for Meta. I'm looking at the 435. But look, I want you guys to know that doing this right here, if we looking at it or whatnot, pay attention to the RSI. I want you guys to pay attention to the RSI now. And the reason why I say so is because you do not want to get faked out. But I am looking at the 435. I needed to pass this candle right here. And as y'all can see, it's starting to fake people out. Because the RSI, y'all see it cooling off. Y'all see it right here cooling off. Man, look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see this family? Y'all see how people be getting faked out? Y'all see that long? Man, that's tough, man. That is tough. You do not want to get faked out. You gotta watch the indicators. Y'all see that? Y'all see how the RSI work? And y'all see how y'all cannot just rush to get in plays, man. Y'all see how y'all can't just rush to get in. Do not rush yourself, man. Do not rush yourself. For all my folks in the chat, see, look, you see how these things try to work itself out and try to play itself out? As y'all can see, look, y'all see that? Got to wait, LA. You got to wait. You see it, T? You got to wait. You cannot rush yourself up in here, man. You cannot rush yourself up in here. Look, I'm gonna check out the spy real quick. You cannot rush yourself up in here because you will get faked out. And you gotta pay attention to all. You gotta pay attention to everything that's going on, right? Let's go to Tesla. Gotta go to Tesla. Let's see. LA. Y'all can see everything kind of playing around in your gamma zone. Let's see. That's the spy. Let's see the spy. That's how people be getting faked out. You see that? That's exactly how people be getting faked out. Not paying attention to the strength index. As y'all can see, man, that's exactly how people be getting faked out, man. All right. Let's see. For my folks that's in the chat, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? What up with everybody? Hey, look, you got the way. Hey, look, that is funny, man. That is too funny. That is too funny. That is too funny. Teaching y'all how not to get smoked. Teaching y'all how not to get smoked, man. Y'all got to pay attention to this, man. Pay attention to the RSI. The RSI save your butt, man. It will save your butt, man. Do you hear me? It will save your butt, man. You got to be careful when it comes down to RSI or whatnot, right? Got to be careful. Got to be careful. Got to be careful. Got to be careful. What up with everybody? How y'all doing? How you doing? Hey, look, it is funny. It is funny, right, man? Look, it is funny, man. You got to protect yourself from being smoked, man. I'm glad that I let everybody know by checking to the RSI scene that it is oversold and using the RSI as an indicator or whatnot, right? So you have to be patient when entering these plays, man. You got to be patient. You got to be patient. All money ain't good money. Don't just jump in because you're getting a feeling and things like that or whatever. Look at the RSI, look at the technical analysis. Let's see how these things are going. You know what I'm saying? And let's see how let's see how the thing is doing overall. Let's see how it's doing on the 4-hour chart. Take out to the 4-hour chart on Meta. See how this thing doing. So on the 4-hour chart, y'all can kind of see what's going on here. Whatnot. It's kind of Meta is kind of more so consolidating a little bit, as y'all can see. It looks like it's trying to break out on the 4-hour chart, but as y'all can see, it ain't broke out yet. It's more so consolidating, right? As y'all can see. And as y'all can see by the 1348, it's still showing more so still of a downtrend. What you want to do to have confirmation that Meta is on a bull run up, you want the 13 to cross the 48 right here. You want the 13 to cross the 48. Just to make sure that you have double confirmation that you are in a bull market. But that's not to say that you can't make money or whatnot, but this is how you identify, are you in a bull market or in a bear market? Right now, Meta is still in a bear market right now. So far, it's still in a bear market. It's more so consolidating right now on the 4-hour chart. And if you trading on a 4-hour chart, these for the people that want to hold stocks overnight and things like that or whatnot, and have swing plays. So you have a swing play. Swing trading is more so when you hold overnight, waiting for the next day. That's more so a swing trade. So if you plan on holding overnight, you will look at the 4-hour chart to see weekly how is it doing, as y'all can see. So that would look like on a 4-hour chart on Meta. What now? All right. So let's see. You see what Meta doing? Let's see what the SPY to. The SPY is still consolidating right now. Let's go to Tesla. Let's see what Tesla doing. Tesla is, it ain't really got a clear direction yet, but also, as y'all can see, the 13 look like it's finna cross the 48. I want you guys to see that. The 13 does look like it's finna cross the 48. And that's on Tesla. So I want you guys to pay attention to that. If you're new to the channel, you just got on here, you're new to the channel, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button, man. Subscribe to the YouTube. You guys subscribe to the YouTube. Subscribe so y'all can get when I get notification for when I do go live and things like that or whatnot. For everybody that's on here. Shout out to everybody that's on my Discord. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to y'all. I appreciate everybody that coming over. I just appreciate y'all, man, for being here and trusting me, man, that that we're gonna make some money together. Trying to see if we're gonna make some money together today, y'all. But I want you guys to I want to let you guys know, you never rush yourself in a trade due to the fact that you feel as though that you need money. I don't never want you guys to do that. I want you guys to play it safe. Some days the volume just ain't there. And I want you guys to know that some days the volume ain't there. And when the volume is not there, what I want you guys to do is just say, hey, today is just not the trading day. It's just not a good trading day today. Let's check these bots out. I got some bots in here. Check these bots out. See what these bots talking about today. What they playing on, everything paying out today. Let's see. People said, look at the VIX index. Let's see. People talking about Microsoft. We can get on here. Let's look at Microsoft real quick. Ooh, Microsoft is a big gamble play. Right now, it ain't doing nothing right now. It ain't really got no momentum in it. So let's see. Let's see if how people playing Tesla. Let's get on here. Y'all can see the 1348 cross finna come on Tesla. So this one more so Tesla's in 38. It still got plenty of room to break down. For all my folks that's on here, still got room to break down for the 1348 cross right here. I want you guys to see it. It still got room for it to break down, like right here. And we're looking at the 5-minute chart. So look, so if the 1348 cross come, a lot of people put in sell orders. So we can stick around just a little bit to see how this may play out. And it looks like it may play out for the downside, but we gotta pay attention. We gotta pay attention right here to see what it's gonna do. And today is more so like a fearful day too. I want you guys to know that because Jerome Powell is supposed to speak. So you may not get some heavy price action until like the end of the day, the middle of the end of the day, or whatnot. So be on the chin of that. So you gotta pay attention to that. So yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see. Let's look at DJT. A lot of people talking about DJT. Let's see. They got Trump. Ooh, shoot. Y'all, we missed out on one. Y'all, we missed out on y'all, we missed out on the play. Look, Trump, if you don't know what DJT is, that's Trump got a platform or whatnot, more so like Meta or Facebook or anything like that or whatnot. And as y'all can see, it is clearly on the downtrend, as y'all can see. Right here or whatnot. So you kind of missed out on the play right here on a good one. On a very good one, as y'all can see. It's starting to cool off. As y'all can see, it's starting to cool off. It is cooling off. But we missed one, y'all. We did miss one today. We did kind of miss one. We missed out on some good puts too. We missed out on some good put options. Y'all see that? Y'all see how this Trump, y'all see how DJT did? We missed out on it today, y'all. We wonder what just so happened that I see it on my Moo. People talking about it. People are talking about it on my Moo. Let's see something else that people talking about. Let's see. SMCI. Well, SMCI, it ain't really fall like that. It fell some this morning, but it ain't really just killed the game like that. So that's micro strategies or whatnot. All right, so y'all see the 1348 cross with Tesla. The RSI is showing that it's going to be on a little downtrend. As y'all can see, it's a little hot. You see a little hot or whatnot, but it's still in our gamble zone right here, right? So if you want to take a gamble betting on the 1348 cross, what you want to do would be a little safe entry is you wait till it get below 179.560 for you to put in a put option. All right, y'all see the 1348 cross. Let's see how this is gonna go. Let me go on Tesla. Let me see Tesla. Let me put in a put. Let's see what the put's looking like, right? Let me show y'all what I'm looking at real quick. Let me back out so we can kind of see how I did for the week. So look, if it dropped, it may drop down to 178. Okay, so look, so if it dropped below this 179.560, I'm playing it for 78 real quick, right? I'm buying me a couple contracts. I'm looking at the 180 contract right quick. I'm looking at the 180 contract for put options. Expiration date May the 3rd. I'm looking to buy 6 contracts. Okay, cool. So look, we got confirmation. We got confirmation right here. Let me get in right here. We finna play it towards the downside. As y'all can see, the 1348 finna cross. The 1348 is about to cross. This one also is a hot little play right here. What up with everybody? Oh, you see it, T? You see the 1348 cross? You see it? Got to pay attention. Got to pay attention, my guy. Got to pay attention. Got to pay attention. Y'all see it? Got to pay it. Got to pay it. Got to pay attention. But it is getting close to the 1348 cross, right? So a lot of people gone playing it toward the downside because a lot of people do use the 1348 cross as a signal to go in on some puts. But as you can see, that still are some buys there, right? Because we know that this right here is a support line. We know that this is a support line, right? So this is kind of more so of a hot play. And then it's 9:39 on Central Time or whatnot. So you want to wait till the next candle to confirm red too. And live completely below this line right here. Below your support line. So that's the safest way to get up in here. Do not rush yourself into these plays. Do not rush it, y'all. Please do not rush it. But I want you guys to see it though. The SPY show bullish. Let me find the 3 candles. Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay. Now look, y'all see that the 1348 did cross down right here. Y'all do see that. The 1348 did cross down right here. What you want right now is for this candle right here to confirm red. You want this candle right here to confirm red before we start putting in put options on Tesla. I want you guys to see that. I want you guys to see that. And y'all gonna see us enter and exit out. Enter and exit up out of here. I want you guys to really see that. But you do have a 1348 cross. A lot of people do play 1348 cross now. A lot of people do play it. And I do plan on playing it now. As y'all can see, y'all see that long wick at the top? Y'all see this long wick at the top now? This will be my confirmation candle. But we're on a 5-minute chart, so it does take 5 minutes for you to be able to most definitely have a confirmation candle. Once this confirmation candle shows it for me, y'all, I'm gonna play it, but I'm gonna let y'all know as soon as I buy in. But what I'm looking at right now, I'm looking at a Tesla put. Right now, my strike price is 180. I'm looking at a 180 strike price on the puts. But you guys can go in on y'all can look at the strike price a little more for y'all. Let's see right here. I'm buying $2,000 worth. So that's 6 contracts for me. I am looking at the mid price. So I can catch it on the mid, but you do have the 1348 cross, man. A lot of people are playing it, man. A lot of people are playing it. And I may think about getting in a little early on live, man. I'm gonna let y'all know. But if I do decide to go in early, well, I'm gonna let you guys know I am using a stop loss. As soon as I get in, I shall use a stop loss. And that's something that I want you guys to remember. Anytime that you are in here, you have to plan for an exit strategy. Do not go into a play without using a stop loss. Do not think that you're some form of guru. I want you guys to listen to me when I say this. Always protect yourself. You have new catalysts. You have a lot of things that can throw you off your play, even though your indicators are saying good things and stuff like that. Pay attention and always have an exit strategy. Do not be eager to try to hop in these plays. Do not be eager to try to do so. I want you guys to really see this. I want you guys to really be profitable in this. I want you guys to really start to see like these indicators and stuff like that or whatnot, right? So y'all can be able to make money and trading options. You have to plan towards having an exit strategy when you enter these things or whatnot. But we are looking at Tesla right now. Let's see if Tesla does confirm. It's at my line. If it does confirm red, right? I would need for the next candle to come below my confirmation candle. And I'm playing it towards the downside on my 4-hour chart. I'm playing it for the downside to be as low as 178. This will let everybody know who don't know what we planning on. But we are looking at the 1348 cross, and it looked like it is crossing down. But I want you guys to pay attention. I want you guys to pay attention. Like right now, it went back. Right now, we do not have confirmation because it hit my gamma zone. It hit my gamma zone. So I want you guys to pay attention, right? I want you guys to pay attention. Let me get on here. You have a lot of sellers right here. Pay attention to this. You have a lot of sellers, right? I mean, a lot of buyers right here. I'm sorry, excuse me. You have a lot of buyers right here, right? And this is how you know you have a lot of buyers right here, because you see the wick is pushing it up. You see the wick is pushing it up. That's how you know that you got a lot of buyers right there. Let's see what the SPY talking about. Let's see what the SPY is still in our gamble zone. So right now it's still consolidating. We ain't worried about the SPY right now. Let's get on Meta. Let's see what Meta talking about. Okay, Meta is still slowly going up, but as y'all can see, what Meta is doing right now. It is showing an uptrend. Meta is showing an uptrend. As y'all can see, Meta did show an uptrend or whatnot. It's starting to cool off. It is a little too hot for me. Meta is a little too hot for me. I'm not finna play Meta like that. It's a little too hot for me. It is a little too hot for me. I do not want to gamble with my money. And I do not suggest that you guys gamble with y'all's either. We're not going to promote that. If you're new to the YouTube channel, what I want you guys to do, man, is hit the subscribe button, man. Hit this subscribe button for me, so y'all can be y'all get updates on what's going on and how I'm viewing these plays and things like that or whatnot. Right now, y'all, look, I feel right now like the market is not going into a specific direction right now. So today may be one of those days that you don't trade because it's not easily coming to us, right? It's not really easily coming to us. So I want you guys to pay attention to that. Any trade that you get in, you want to just to fall in your lap. The most money that you'll make is the easy plays, the one that's just come to you. Do not try to force yourself into a play. Do not try to force yourself into the play. So y'all, look, I'm gonna stay on here about 15 more minutes and see how this thing go. And then if we don't get no type of what's the name, y'all, we just gonna end the live. We're just gonna end the live because y'all can see it's consolidating. You do have a lot of news coming up today, as far as like with Jerome Powell. So you guys can pay attention to that. He's supposed to be speaking at 2. Starbucks files more than dang. That's tough. But look, I just want you guys to see it, right? I want you guys to be able to see like what I see and how things are going and how we plan on playing these things or whatnot. Y'all, I do not want you guys to be forced into making plays that don't make sense. Y'all understand what I'm saying? I don't want you guys to be forcing plays or feel like you're missing out on something. You have to learn what is a good enter and what is a good extra strategy for you. How to get in and get out or whatnot, right? What are my indicators saying? Understand the risk of, hey, look, if I'm gonna play a hot, I understand the risk. And if I do play anything, I need to immediately put on a stop loss. I want you guys to think of how can I say this? When doing options, I want you guys to think of a stop loss like using a condom or something like that or whatever, right? You want to protect yourself. When you playing the stocks and you playing the hot, right? I want you guys to always remember to protect yourself. I always think of like I need some protection. And for a lot of people, people feel as though like the easy analogy is before you have sex, you want to have it protected. Always protect yourself. Y'all understand what I'm saying? Always protect yourself. Don't ever feel as though like you got to be rushing to something. Don't ever feel as though like, hey, I'm missing out or whatever, this, not third, whatever, because I need the money and things like that or whatnot. Be true to yourself. Be true to who you are. Be true to discipline. That's one thing that we got to be true to. We got to be true to discipline. You owe it to yourself. You owe it to your family. You owe it to those who look up to you to be very disciplined when it comes down to trading options, right? Because we do not want to be burnt. We do not want to be burnt. What up with everybody on the live? If you're new to the live, my name is Ken, and this is God Body Trading, where I'll teach you how to trade options. If you're interested in learning how to trade options, if you're interested in learning or trying to be a part of the Discord family, I want you guys to comment up. I want you guys to comment up under here so I can send you guys a link so y'all can be able to join the Discord family for everybody that's on here. How y'all doing today for everybody that's on here? Let's see. Cool. Let's see. All right, we see what Tesla at. Y'all see that? Y'all see how it bounced above the 1348 and it's starting to pick up. Tesla's starting to pick up. Let's see. They do got some momentum. And look, and for everybody that's in here right now, I want you guys to see something too. That a lot of stuff be going on unnoticed on the live. Let's see. Is that some people do play it hot, you know what I'm saying? Like an example or whatever, right? You see the 200 EMA. Some people play it hot. Some people, as you can see, as it get closer to the 200 EMA with the candlesticks, as you can see, it's starting to push down and whatnot. Y'all see that? Some people do play it hot, man. But I don't want you guys to be gambling with your money. Do not gamble with your money, man. Do not gamble with your money. Wait for clear signals. Wait for clear signals for everybody that's on here. Let's see. SPY. SPY ain't doing nothing yet. The SPY is moving slow, y'all. That means that the overall market is moving slow. And it's not really doing nothing. Let's see. What up with everybody that's in the chat? What up with everybody? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? We're looking at the spy right now. I'm still here. Put the link in the chat. Okay, cool. And let me get on here. Put the link in the chat real quick. Let me see. What up with everybody? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? So look. Yeah. What up, everybody? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? As y'all can see, the spy is moving slow as hell. Okay, look, so we're gonna get out here. Let's see what Tesla doing. Tesla playing around. Okay, let's see what Meta doing. Meta is playing around, as y'all can see. Meta is playing around. Y'all, sometimes the volume is just not there. Sometimes the volume is just not there. Let's see what the video doing. Let's see what the video is doing. Y'all, man, look, the video is a beast. It is something that you do not want to play around with. I can tell you that from experience. And the video is something that you do not want to play around with. So as y'all can see, guys, y'all got in the stock that y'all looking at. Let's see. What says? What said? Tesla trying to move. Well, Tesla ain't trying to do nothing. I don't know where you even see that at, T. I don't know where you begin these things from, man. These things in your head, man. You make believe story, that boy TV. My boy T. All right, so let's see. That boy said Tesla moving up. Boy, T, where you see that at, boy? T, boy, that's funny. That is funny, my guy. So y'all look at 2:00 Eastern time, which would be 1:00. They supposed to be having some a conference call. They're supposed to be having a conference call. So that would look like people playing. Let's see. Let's see. We got Apple. Let's check out what Apple doing. How are people playing Apple? People are playing Apple for the upside because of they may have a good earnings report. Then you got a. Did we check AMD today? Let's check AMD. AMD ain't talking about nothing. Who else got a Coinbase? Coinbase. No, we would never got confirmation in Coinbase either. So. All right, y'all. So look, it don't look like we got nothing that's breaking out or breaking down. Everything more so still in the gamma zone. As y'all can see, everything's still in the gamma zone. Everything is playing around. Let me see. Let me go to Meta. Everything is still playing around. So look, y'all look. For everybody that's on here, look, I'm finna Tesla trying to move 5-minute candlestick, put everything right on Tesla. Let me see. So see, if you're looking at the chart, see where you see that everything okay with Tesla. Where do you see that at? Where do you see that at, T? Tell me where you see that at, T. Everybody telling us, everybody, how y'all doing? If you're new to God by the Trading, click the subscribe button. My name is Ken. With God by the Trading. If you're interested in learning how to trade options, if you're interested in learning how to get in and get out or whatever, and how do we set up our gamble zones? How do we understand how to put in an option spread? What is an option spread? What is trading options? How to identify technical analysis? Click the link at the top in the Discord, so y'all guys can be a part of the family. If you're a vet or a beginner and anything like that or whatnot, join the Discord and be a part of the family, so you guys can get the updates. Or when I buy, when I sell, what I set my stop loss at, and things such as that nature right there. I want you guys to be informed. That's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to be informed. For real. That's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to be informed. So. All right, y'all. So look, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button at the top. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button at the top to be able to get more updates on when we go live and things like that. But right now, it don't look like. Right now, y'all look. Everything is muscle, this consolidating. We do not have no clear path on nothing that we got going on right now. As bad as you guys want to make money, because we made money yesterday, right? We made money yesterday. We made $500 on the live yesterday. What you want to do is be patient. You got to know when it's not a trading day. You got to know when to be like, hey, look, we're going to cut it short. We're going to cut everything off. We cut things off short. Yeah. So I want you guys to see that. I want you guys to be able to see it. I want you guys to be able to identify when is today a good trading day, when is it not. But I want you guys to be ready because you got Jerome Powell. He is speaking today. So maybe everybody just waiting to see what Jerome Powell gonna say. Maybe a lot of people just waiting to see what old Jerome gonna say. Cause ain't nothing going on, ain't nothing popping off today. And that's what it's looking like. Ain't nothing really popping off today. So look, y'all, man, look, I'm finna end the live. It's nice speaking to everybody. As y'all can see, glad to have you guys here or whatnot. Today just wasn't a trading day. Today just one of the days that had a lot of value. But what I want you guys to do is pay attention to what Jerome Powell gonna say today. He's gonna be on at 2:00 Eastern time, which will be 1:00 Central time. I want you guys to pay attention to that and see like how the stock market move, planning on what he got going on or whatnot. How the market gonna move and what he got to say about the economy and what the Fed's gonna do. Are they gonna increase interest rates or are they gonna lower it or are they gonna keep it the same? So I want you guys to pay good attention to that today or whatnot, right? But catch me tomorrow. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.